Vegetarian is fun and easy.
Spicy braised eggplant with glass noodles, irresistibly delicious. The eggplant melts in your mouth while the vermicelli soak up all the rich, savory sauce is absolutely addictive. Glass noodles are springy and satisfying, perfect as a meal as each bite makes you crave more. The savory spicy sauce coats every strand, making it impossible to resist. Glass noodles are relatively low in calories and filling, making them a decent diet option when portion control. Just watch high-calorie sauces. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: eggplant, glass noodles, ginger, baby spinach, corn kernels, chilies. Personally, I think spinach leaves taste better, but you can also add your favorite vegetables. Line baking tray with aluminum foil and then let's start preparing the ingredients. Wash and sliced eggplant. Crispy fried or roasted eggplant adds a smoky depth to braised glass noodles, creating an irresistible texture contrast. Cutting eggplant into strips helps it absorb flavors faster and break down effortlessly, while noodles soak up all the deliciousness. Brush a layer of cooking oil on baking plate to prevent sticking. Pour the eggplant and prepare to roast it. I prefer not to all fry it because it's simpler and doesn't require too much cooking oil. Shake the eggplant to make sure it is evenly coated with oil. Send to oven roast for approximately 10 minutes at 180 degrees. Roasted eggplant set aside. Soak glass noodles first will absorb sauces better and cook evenly. Q. It only takes about 2 minutes to soak the vermicelli in hot water, and then stir it until it becomes soft. If you soak it for too long, it will lose its chewy texture. Rinsing cooked glass noodles in cold water instantly boosts their springiness and silkiness next level texture. Chopped ginger and set aside. Stir-fried glass noodles with ginger warm your stomach and boost digestion, while the noodles soak up that aromatic ginger kick. Ginger boosts blood flow, relieves nausea, and adds a spicy kick to dishes. It's nature's warming superfood. Cubes chilies. It's not too spicy with chilies added. Omit if you dislike. Baby spinach wash and set aside. Let's start cooking. Stir-fry chopped ginger and chili. Saute ginger and chili in cool oil for 1 to 2 minutes until golden low heat unlocks fragrant, mellow spice without bitterness. You can also add a tablespoon of chili oil or spicy sauce. If you don't like spicy food, just skip it and follow your own preference. Seasoning: 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon mushroom powder. When you fry the sauce, the whole house is filled with fragrance. Add roasted eggplant and stir fry. Pre-roasted eggplant only needs 1 to 2 minutes of stir-frying. High heat crisps the skin while keeping the flesh creamy. Eggplant is packed with fiber and antioxidants, low-calorie yet nutrient-dense, supporting gut health. Its purple skin contains anthocyanins for anti-aging. Minimal cooking roasting, steaming preserves nutrients. Pairing with garlic or ginger enhances flavor and nutrient uptake. Regular consumption aids heart health and blood sugar control. Add half bowl of water and bring to boil. Glass noodles absorb fiercely. Use 1.5x water volume. For example, 1 cup noodles gives 1.5 cups broth. Add hot water if dry. Residual heat finish absorption. Control doneness by liquid left soupy for softer texture and reduced water for chewy texture. Once boiled, add glass noodle. 30. Glass noodle stir fry 2 minutes. Always let sit 30 seconds off heat for maximum flavor. Lastly, add corn kernels and baby spinach. Stir fry until wilted and it's done. Baby spinach leaves 10 to 15 seconds on high heat till just wilted, as they will keep cooking at off heat mode. The color looks better with baby spinach and corn kernels added.
It smells so good. Yummy!
Plate and eggplant glass noodle is ready to be served. Glass noodles are a guilt-free staple, low-calorie, high-fiber, and satisfyingly chewy with a low G index, making them perfect for weight management and blood sugar control while being gentle on digestion for all ages. For vegetarians, glass noodles deliver guilt-free energy, 100% plant-based, cholesterol-free, and packed with fiber to enhance digestion while absorbing umami from vegetable broths. Their versatility pairs perfectly with tofu mushrooms for protein, meeting vegan standards without compromising flavor or texture. Glass noodles come in 4 types. Mung bean GLSS noodles is lightest and low-cal. Sweet potato glass noodle is chewiest. Potato glass noodle is silkiest, and multigrain glass noodle made by quinoa is high protein. Pure mung bean glass noodle has no fat, lowest G, and rich in resistant starch for gut health, ideal for diabetics and weight loss. G glycemic index ** measures how quickly a carbohydrate-containing food raises blood glucose levels.
Who is not suitable to eat vermicelli?
Glass noodles may not suit those with sensitive digestion with bloating risk, diabetics opting for high G varieties, or individuals with legume, potato allergies. Remember, do always check the ingredients before eating. Its tender leaves and low oxalic acid make it safe to eat raw or lightly cooked. No blanching needed to preserve that fresh flavor and nutrients. Don't miss out on this recipe. The chewy noodles drenched in savory sauce will have you hooked at first bite. Perfect comfort food. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan: do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian: do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For OVO-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian: do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian: mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.